Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So last times we see the guessing numbers games, right? So it was all about the using the different methods to see how the different topics in the Python's works, the list, if else conditions, loopings, and everything's right. So today now we are doing a little bit different using the class in the Pythons to find out the guessing numbers. So it's a simples, but it will give you then ideas how we use the constructors in it and how we create the class in a Python. So let's dive into the code. So if you haven't watched my previous videos regarding to the guessing game, so you can just click into my channels and see the videos is available over there. So let's go to the Python files and let's the uh, file name is guessing game. So here's the guessing game. So inside here, now import. We are doing the since we are doing the guessing game, so we are using the random. So now we're importing the random class over here. Now let's create the class with the class guessing number game. Let's say guessing number game. Okay. This is all good. Self dot. Now we're just creating one variables called secret numbers. So this is like random numbers the machines will throw on. So rand 8 and then let's range with the 0 from start from 0 to max range. This is again another variables we are just supposing to here. And let's have a guessing numbers. So self a guess number, okay, equals to, let's initialize with the 0. Now okay, well, let's define the constructor here first. Okay, dev in IT, and then self, and then say max range because that's what I was trying to find here. Okay, tab here and this tab. Okay, now we are creating another function step make guess. Okay, and let's say we're passing arguments guess. The parameters we're passing a guess and variables. So self dot guess number, then it is increasing by the increment by the 1. And if guess equal self dot secret numbers, okay, which is equals to secret number, whatever you guess, if that is equals to secret number, then return uh okay, let's say formats here. Okay, congrats. You guess right. Okay. And then in how many guesses? That's what we are trying to do here. This bracket over here with the guess numbers. And then let's say guesses, right? GUESS, guesses. Okay. CS guesses. And now we have another else elif where it says, so elif is like if a guess is greater than self dot secret number. Okay. Okay. Self dot secret number, then let's say a return return guess guess is too high. Okay, and else return guess, because if your guess is lower than the random number, then it will do this. Okay, now we will create one main method here. Let's say main there. Okay, and then we'll put everything inside here. Guessing number game. Okay, guessing number game. And then game equals to guessing number, because we are calling constructor, we are passing the value to the constructor, while true. So this will loop until you get the right answers. Input num equals to, so we are doing the casting here, because normally input is always string, and then guess your num. Let's do some space here. And result, we're putting this inside the game dot make guess input num. And now what you do, like print, we'll print result. Got it? Now if you're checking the conditions, congrats. So this congrats will be checked over here and see whether it's available there or no. If congrats in result, right? If congrats in result, break. Congrats in result, break. Now we are calling this inside the main map in the main class. So if name, right, equals to like main, and main, then we're calling this main function here. Okay, let's run the programs and see what is the output for this program. Run it. Okay, guess number. Guess your number, whatever. So 1. The guess is too low. 2, too low. 3. Okay. So now it's a congrats. You guess number is 3. So it's guessing in a 3 time. 1, 2, 3. So this is how we are doing we are using the constructor and the methods to call inside the main using a class object-oriented in the Pythons. So we will modify these programs again in the futures, and then see different other topics that we can cover in the Pythons will be included here. And if you haven't seen my previous videos, just go and click to my videos. You'll find it, and or I can put the links below in the sections, so you can just check in some more sections. If you like the videos, please subscribe